Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to create templates for frequent tasks in TODOIST, your 2025 guide to a more organized life. First off, open your TODOIST and navigate to the project you wish to create a template for. This is where we'll centralize all our recurring tasks. The reason we do this is to keep everything neat and in one place. Next up, click on the three-dot icon at the top right corner of your project. This will open a drop-down menu. Now, select Export as a Template. Exporting your project as a template allows you to replicate it whenever needed, saving precious time and effort. Now make sure to select As a File. This will automatically download a CSV file of your project onto your local device. This helps us because a CSV file is versatile and can be imported back to TODOIST or shared with others for use. Next, let's say you have a new project that requires the same tasks. Simply go to the New Project, click on the three-dot icon again, and select Import from a Template. From here, choose the previously downloaded CSV file. Importing this file will duplicate all the tasks from the template into your new project. Let me explain why this matters. It eliminates the need to manually input each task again, dramatically increasing your efficiency. And there you have it. You've now created a template for frequent tasks in TODOIST. Remember, proper organization is the key to productivity, and TODOIST templates are a powerful tool towards that end. Thank you for joining us, and see you in the next one.